and welcome to episode number 16 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. The next feature we will implement is both inventory and equipment, how to set up the panels and all the inventory slots. It's a lot more work than what you think. We can control this with both the gamepad, the mouse and the keyboard. Then the next feature is to pick up the special items and place them in the special equipment slots. So here we have the glider. So we break the item pickup sphere and we walk on the item and it will be placed in the equipment slot here. Alright, this was all for episode number 16. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 17. See you there!